building the foundation of lives, turning the future into reality, creating your success together, where endless innovation and solutions are created to achieve the goal. That's where Develon is. We create value beyond products. With the best-in-class performance, market-leading fuel efficiency, and durability. With our end-to-end after-service and support, Develon is committed to our customers' and partners' success. We create solutions beyond products. We go beyond making products. We are breaking new grounds with innovative digital solutions for productivity, for safety. We change the future of our customers and the world. Expecting changes in the industry and technologies, we create sustainable solutions to pass the foundation of lives onto the next generation. For the technology you are waiting for the future you are dreaming of, to continue developing onwards. Our innovation continues. We are Develon.